How to change your nickname in Siri settings. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to change your nickname in Siri settings. For this video, we're going to be using settings. So tap on settings and scroll down until you see Siri and search. Tap on Siri and search and you should see the following options under Ask Siri. You should see my information just below announced notifications on this page. And as you can see, my information is currently set to my complete name, Menindi Kirona. And when you tap on this, you should see that it brings you to your contacts list. So this means that whatever contact information you put in your contact, that is what Siri is gonna use. So in order for us to change your nickname, we can either change our name on your existing contact or we can create a dummy contact. And to do that, we need to go to contacts. So let's exit out of settings and then let's go to contacts. So as you can see, I have Menindi Kirona as my contact name here. I can just tap on that and edit it. Just change my name here, or I can just create a dummy account. Let's say, okay, let's try to tap on the plus icon at the right top corner to do that. And then change or set up your first name as the nickname you'd like to use for Siri. So let's say Mindy. You can even add the last name if you want, but I'll just keep it that way. And to save it, just tap done at the right top corner, and this should be saved. Now we have to go back to settings. So let's go here. So I am still on the same page, but just to show you again, I'm gonna cancel and just tap my information. And then you can just tap on search at the top and look for that dummy account you created. So I'm gonna tap on this. This is the dummy account I created, and you should see my information change to Mindy. Now I'm gonna show you that this is now what Siri is gonna use. So I'll do this. One moment. Hey Siri, what's my name?
You're Mindy. That's what you told me anyway.
All right. So as you can see, Siri now uses my contact name right here, the dummy account that I use from the dummy account that I created. And that's how easy it is to change your nickname in Siri settings. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.